It all began in the late 1940s when the first numerically controlled machines, the ancestors of modern CNC, came into existence. These machines utilized punch tape to control their movements, a far cry from today's sophisticated digital controls. Fast forward to the 1980s, and we see the birth of 3D printing. The brainchild of Chuck Hull, this technology, also known as additive manufacturing, promised to transform the way we create physical objects. With 3D printing, designs created on a computer could be brought to life, layer by layer, using a variety of materials. As the 90s dawned, both 3D printing and CNC began to take off in earnest. The advent of CAD, or computer-aided design software, allowed engineers and designers to create intricate digital models that could be precisely reproduced by CNC machines or 3D printers. The turn of the millennium saw these technologies becoming more accessible and affordable. Hobbyists and small businesses could now harness the power of CNC and 3D printing, unleashing a wave of creativity and innovation. But what about the future? As we gaze into the crystal ball, it becomes clear that the potential of 3D printing and CNC is far from tapped out. Imagine a world where every home has a 3D printer churning out everything from spare parts to bespoke furniture. Picture a future where CNC machines are so precise that they can craft objects at the molecular level. Consider the implications for industries like healthcare, where 3D printed organs are already becoming a reality, or the automotive industry, where CNC machines could produce custom vehicles on demand. And let's not forget the environmental implications. Both 3D printing and CNC have the potential to dramatically reduce waste and energy consumption. A future where manufacturing is cleaner, greener, and more efficient may be closer than we think. In closing, the journey of 3D printing and CNC from their humble beginnings to their current status as transformative technologies has been nothing short of remarkable. But the journey is far from over. As we stand on the brink of a new era in manufacturing and design, the possibilities are as boundless as our imagination. So the next time you ponder about the future of 3D printing and CNC, remember this: the best is yet to come.